Today's tutorial, I need a quick export of my character in a certain position. So I've got my character in the position I want. I make sure that I'm in the viewport or camera mode that I want to actually get the still image of. Now if I do this, that's what it's going to look like when it exports, and I don't want that unless you had a big scene or something and you wanted that tiny little fox. I need the camera mode on because this is what I want to render right here. And all you have to do is go to render image. Make sure it's on image instead of video. Now JPEG would do the nice gray background or whatever you have behind the character or objects you have. So I'm going to change that to a PNG. Current frame, I don't want the sequence of all of them, I just want the one. And I'm going to go to 4K. I always do 4K. That just keeps it nice and high quality. And I hit export. I'm going to hurry and go save that where I need it. And it's going to be tutorials. There we go. I'm going to call this Fox. Now that I have that, I can open up Photoshop and I can put that fox where I need it because it has a transparent background. So this is really nice because you can take what you've animated, you know, a character, put them in a certain position and take a picture and use it for whatever you need it for. So that is how you export a transparent image in Cartoon Animator 4. Please like and subscribe. And follow the links below if you want to see more tutorials. Thanks.